Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. By the way, we say that for swing trading and long-term investment, the signals, they are going to be here in YouTube. They will not be in our Telegram or in our Discord. I think picture is too clear, guys. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving free daily signals, and over there you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished. It gave us another red candle, so everything still looking the same. Bitcoin is falling down, but no one selling. And another thing very important here, let me show it to you. If you came here and you see now the Bitcoin, what it give you here, it give you here a triple double top. That one is a very bearish signal, but till now it hasn't breaking that level here. That one also we've been waiting it all those days, till now it hasn't break it, so there is nothing yet. And another thing I said before me, I told you we got here an inside bar, which is that one here. And as you see it, no candle close above and no candle close below. So there is nothing. Today also we've been scalping the market just from here to up, because in that level there is a lot of pending orders here. People they buying from that level. We don't know till when it's going to be holding here, but people they still buying from that level here. Every time he touch it in lower time frames, me I'm talking, every time he touch that level here, Bitcoin it bounce up. So for long-term investment, there is nothing yet. We need to wait in. And another thing here, let me show it to you, which is that one here. Us, when it's going to touch here to 100 or the 50 moving average, we're going to buy. We're going to buy from here. And I'm going to give you as a signal here in the YouTube channel, is it the right time? Because also we're making a video every day when the daily candle finished. So when it's going to be the right time for you to buy, I'm going to tell it to you. I think picture is too clear, guys. We got two levels to buy from here or from down here. Either from here the 28k or 25k down here. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's what we got today. Today we got a very busy day. As every Wednesday, we got a very busy day. We got CPI of UK, the CPI of the Eurozone, that's an inflation of the UK and inflation of the Eurozone. If it fall down over here in investing.com, all of them they showing the inflation is going to fall down in UK and the Eurozone. So let's hope, but UK, the inflation is still very high. It's still the view or the outlook of them here is going to fall down to 8.2. That's when it's still very high. Before it used to be 8.7, but they're doing good job. That's when the inflation is falling. And here is going to come the building permit of USA plus the crude oil inventory. The good news, all those ones they are going to come early in the morning, and that time also we don't trade. Also we started trading after 3 o'clock GMT time. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also we're looking at it every day. As you see it, US stock today they give us a new high. The SP 500 a new high. In my stock portfolio, I am plus 28%, guys. You know what, man? Plus 28%. I got some friend of me, they are plus 40%. That's very good performance in the stock market. And here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, it's still 13. That means currency is still very low. So everything still looking great. The only thing, the Bitcoin is falling. We need to wait in that correction. Then also we're going to enter for long term. For scalping and day trading, us every day we're collecting premium from it and money from it. Me today collecting about $25 from a little or a small account. Also, we're working in a challenge in that account, and we're going to show it to you here how we started, tell where we are. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't make the video too long. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading, guys. Did you see, guys, what me are seeing here? You by your eye tell me what you see here. What is it that? That is the 200 moving average, the simple one. You see it what happened today or no? That way me I enter that long scalping from here because we touched the 200 moving average. Yes or no? Another thing here, what else we said in yesterday video? We said like that, we said we got here a head and shoulder, which is the one. As you see it, we said the neckline is it down here from those peaks here, the one here, and the one here. Till now there is no candle break it down for us to enter short, so there is nothing yet for short or for to enter short. Now for the long we got another thing here, or for the short we got here a flag. As you see it, I showed it to you in yesterday video, but it's okay to repeat it even today. As you see it, that flag or that inverted flag, that one is a very bearish signal, but also we're still waiting for swing trading. As I told you before, that level here, you see that level here, you came here to that one here and you're drawing a line like that. You see it or not, that level or that support, very stronger support, and a lot of pending orders here. Every time he used to touch it, he bounced up. But one thing here, how many times did we touch that support, guys? That 4 times. As you see it over here is the 4th time. Did it's going to hold or no? We don't know exactly if it's going to hold or no. Also, if it's breaking down, also we're going to enter short. Me, I'm talking here just for swing trading. I show you exactly where it needs to be the take profit of you. I told you exactly it needs to be in that peak here. That's where it needs to be the take profit of you. I'm going to show it to you when we come there. But here for swing trading, there is nothing yet. We're still waiting the break where it's going to happen, either down or either up, as I showed you before. So till now it hasn't getting broke, so there is nothing yet. When it's getting broke down here, you came here, look with me what I'm going to do. You draw in here a vertical line in the candle where it's going to close. You bring that vertical line which is here and you put it down here. When it reaches to the lower of it, that where it needs to be the first take profit of you guys. I think picture is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at that place where is the bears the controlling? Should we inch along? Not yet, because yes, also we are in a very stronger support as you see it, but also we still here down where is the bears the controlling. There is no bulls yet, so also we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming hours and coming days. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't make the video too long, so also we still waiting either the market to come here for us to enter long or the market to break that channel for us to enter short. That's for swing trading. So I think everything is too clear. Now we're going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing. That one here, it touch here the oversold area. And what me have been teaching you, that one is just an oscillator, guys. We don't need to base our trade on it. If it's breaking down here, also we're going to enter short and we go with it. I told you the first take profit of you, it needs to be here at that peak here. Look at it, that peak here, depending which broker you're using, that peak here, that one. That's where it needs to be the first take profit of you. The second one, it needs to be here in that one. I don't want to give you a level because depending which broker you're using, the levels, they are different, guys. So I think we don't need to make the video too long, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here we been all the whole day me been scalping it here. I enter from here because that double top here in 5 minutes it fall down till here. It give me here a double bottom in 5 minutes. I went with it till here. It give me here a double top. Go with it till down here. Over here it give me a double bottom. I enter long. It just now I see it. It's hitting my take profit. Now here for day trading, look with me what you got here. You see it or no? You got a triple bottom here, very clear triple bottom here as you see it. And another thing here, very important, you used to waiting all the whole day that wage here as you see it, guys. Now the market here it's showing it's breaking that candle. It's left for a 12 minute. If it close like that, I'm going to give people in my Telegram and my Discord a signal to enter long. So till now there is nothing yet. We need to wait till more till the right time, because as I told you that candle is left for it 12 minutes, and also we're still with it. What's going to happen? We're going to do it. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area. So technically we need to looking for buy. So everything is still looking great, and now it's breaking here. So if you are in our Telegram, now you're going to get a signal from me to buy, guys, but it's left 10 minutes. So I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.